In the hustle and bustle of modern life, finding moments of peace and tranquility can be a challenge. Our living spaces, however, offer the perfect opportunity to create an oasis of calm and serenity amidst the chaos. By incorporating mindful design principles and embracing a Zen-inspired approach, we can transform our homes into spaces that nourish our well-being and provide a sanctuary for relaxation and introspection. A peaceful living space is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It is a reflection of our inner state and a haven where we can escape the stresses of daily life. It allows us to unwind, recharge, and find balance in our fast-paced world. By intentionally curating our surroundings, we can create an environment that promotes harmony, tranquility, and a sense of inner peace. Here are some tips and tricks for creating a more peaceful living space and finding your Zen. 1. Declutter and simplify. Start by decluttering your living space and removing any unnecessary items. Simplify your surroundings by keeping only the things that bring you joy and serve a purpose. A clutter-free environment promotes a sense of calm and allows for better focus and relaxation. 2. Choose soothing colors. Select a color palette that promotes tranquility and relaxation. Soft, muted tones such as pastels, neutrals, and earthy shades can create a serene atmosphere. Consider incorporating blues and greens, which are known to have a calming effect, or warm hues like soft yellows and warm grays. 3. Embrace natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural elements into your living space. Use materials like wood, stone, and bamboo to create a sense of grounding. Add indoor plants to purify the air and infuse your space with a fresh and peaceful ambiance. 4. Create cozy and comfortable spaces. Design areas in your home where you can unwind and find solace. Invest in comfortable seating with plush cushions and soft textures. Create a cozy reading nook with a comfortable chair and a warm throw blanket. These cozy spaces will invite you to relax and take a moment for yourself. 5. Mindful lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a space. Opt for soft and warm lighting instead of harsh, bright lights. Incorporate dimmers to adjust the intensity of the light according to your needs. Consider natural light as much as possible by allowing sunlight to fill your space during the day. 6. Incorporate soothing scents. Scents have a powerful impact on our mood and well-being. Introduce calming aromas like lavender, chamomile, or eucalyptus through scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or dried herb bundles. Experiment with different scents to find the ones that resonate with you and create a peaceful ambiance. 7. Mindful placement of furniture. Arrange your furniture in a way that promotes flow and harmony. Avoid cluttering the space with too many pieces and ensure that the furniture is arranged for comfort and ease of movement. Create open pathways and leave breathing room around each piece. 8. Encourage natural sounds. Embrace the soothing sounds of nature by incorporating water features like indoor fountains or tabletop waterfalls. These natural sounds can create a sense of tranquility and help mask any distracting noises from the surroundings. 9. Personalize with meaningful objects. Surround yourself with meaningful objects that bring you joy and inspire a sense of peace. Display items such as photographs, artwork, or sentimental mementos that hold positive memories and evoke a sense of calm. 10. Establish a mindfulness practice area. Dedicate a corner or space in your living area for mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or reflection. Use comfortable cushions or a yoga mat to create a peaceful spot where you can reconnect with yourself and find inner peace.